Hi, I'm Casey Korn, and I'm partnering with The Incredible Egg to teach you how to make a beautiful green shakshuka with these fabulous dinner eggs. Hey guys, I think you sent me the breakfast eggs. Dinner eggs. We've got a bowl of tomatillos here, and they've got this little husk on them. So we're just gonna peel these off and place them on a sheet tray lined with some foil. Usually shakshuka is a red-based sauce. It's tomatoes and peppers, but we're gonna do a green one. So we're starting with the tomatillos. We wanna get these charred first, give them a nice smoky flavor. So we're gonna pop them under the broiler. Just keep an eye on them, turn them as needed till they're beautiful and black all over, which is gonna take about 15 minutes. So our tomatillos have come out of the oven and I've let them cool down enough so that I can handle them. And we're gonna use them as the base of our shakshuka. So we are gonna pop them into our blender. I've also got some gorgeous cilantro. And then I'm gonna add some of our spices. So I've got paprika and I've got some cumin. And we're gonna start this and then start drizzling our oil in just to get it nice and even. And that's it. So, now that we've got the base of our shakshuka, we're gonna slice up some other veggies and get them sauteing. This dish is actually great for weeknight dinners because it is just sort of a one-pan recipe, and eggs are one of my favorite dinner ingredients. We're gonna heat up a little bit of oil. One of the great things about this dish is that it's so versatile. The original dish is made with tomatoes and peppers, but as you see, we're doing a green version. Whatever is in your fridge is an awesome thing to throw in this dish. We're gonna give them just a little bit of salt, start sweating down. All right, our onions are starting to soften. It's totally cool if they get a little bit of color on them. That extra char is just gonna add to our smoky flavor from our tomatillos. Garlic in, which means it's time for our spinach. And we're just gonna let this wilt down. This meal is such a phenomenal way to get your veggies because I'm doing this at like the lowest amount of veggies. Like you can add seriously any veggies that are in your fridge, just throw them in there. Like around this time, just make sure they're all cooked pretty evenly. It will be a veggie extravaganza, if you will. All right, so our onions are soft, our garlic is soft, our spinach is wilted. Let's add our base. So I'm gonna lower the heat down again just a little bit. Ooh, yes. We're just gonna make sure it's all evenly spread around the pan, and we'll make a little bit of room for our eggs to go in because they're just gonna be plopped right on top. Let's crack our dinner eggs. So we're just gonna find a nice little divot. And you can do this with other flavors too, other spice blends. If you like a little bit of heat, you can also throw like a serrano pepper, jalapeno. Okay, I'm gonna pop this into the oven just until the white's set. As an LA girl who moved to New York, I'm severely lacking the sun now in the winter. Fortunately, eggs are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, so they're amazing for dinners in the winter especially. My shakshuka is out of the oven and it smells delicious. My whites are set and everything looks beautiful, so let's garnish and eat. Just a little bit more salt and pepper to finish it off. And we've just got some more cilantro and some crumbled feta. I like it extra cheesy, if you know what I mean. These dinner eggs look excellent and I can't wait to eat them. So, no forks or knives necessary. We've got bread. Let's dig in. I'm going straight in for some cheesiness, some sauciness. Oh man, this bite looks extraordinary. This is so good. Smokiness from the tomatillos, get a little punch from the spices, a little creamy coolness from the feta, and of course, the star, the dinner eggs. So that's how I use dinner eggs to make green shakshuka. Thanks for joining me.